Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to move objects to origin points 0, 0 in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, the origin point 0, 0 is one of the most important reference locations in the coordinate system because it represents the exact intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. Many drawings, imported files, survey layouts, blocks, and engineering projects need to be aligned correctly relative to this origin point for accurate positioning, scaling, plotting, and coordinate management. The point 0, 0 represents the starting point of the coordinate system. Why it's important. This point is where the x-axis begins and the y-axis begins. It acts as the central reference location for positioning geometry. Why drawings are sometimes moved to 0, 0. Objects are commonly moved to the origin when imported drawings are misplaced, coordinates are incorrect, survey drawings need alignment, blocks need proper insertion points, and projects require coordinate consistency. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing you want to reposition. Go to the command line and type D settings. Then press Enter. This opens the Drafting Settings window. Inside the Drafting Settings window, go to Dynamic Input. What Dynamic Input is? Dynamic Input allows AutoCAD to display coordinate and command information directly near the cursor while drafting. It helps AutoCAD interpret coordinate positioning more precisely during movement operations. Inside the Dynamic Input section, locate Pointer Input. Then click on Settings. Pointer Input controls how coordinate values are interpreted while moving or drawing objects. Now select Cartesian format. Cartesian coordinates use x values and y values to define exact positions in 2D space. They allow precise positioning relative to the coordinate system. Next, select Absolute Coordinates. Absolute coordinates measure positions directly from the origin point 0, 0. Important clarification. This differs from relative coordinates, which measure positions relative to another point. Why absolute coordinates help here? Since the goal is moving the object directly to 0, 0, absolute coordinates ensure the movement references the true origin point. After selecting the settings, click OK. Then close the Drafting Settings window. AutoCAD now interprets coordinate positioning using absolute Cartesian coordinates. Go back to the drawing and select the object or geometry you want to move. Now type Move, then press Enter. The Move command repositions selected geometry from one location to another. Now choose a base point. The base point acts as the reference location AutoCAD uses during the movement operation. Now drag the object toward the XY axis intersection, which represents 0, 0. What happens next? The selected object moves so the chosen base point aligns exactly with the origin. Result: your object is now positioned at the coordinate origin, 0, 0. Moving objects to the origin improves coordinate consistency, alignment accuracy, scaling reliability, plotting behavior, and external file referencing. AutoCAD positioning is coordinate-based, not visual only. Even if a drawing looks correct, incorrect coordinates can create technical problems later. What you just accomplished: you configured coordinate input settings, enabled absolute positioning, repositioned geometry accurately, and aligned objects to the global coordinate system. To summarize, moving objects to the origin point 0, 0 in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and accessing the Drafting Settings window using the D settings command. Inside the Dynamic Input settings, Pointer Input is configured to use Cartesian format and absolute coordinates for accurate positioning. After returning to the drawing, the object is selected and moved using the Move command. By selecting a base point and dragging it to the XY axis intersection, the object is repositioned precisely to the coordinate origin, 0, 0, improving drawing alignment and coordinate consistency. And that's how to move objects to the origin point 0, 0 in AutoCAD. Understanding coordinate systems is a huge step toward mastering precise drafting because AutoCAD is fundamentally built around mathematical positioning, not just visual placement. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.